aye chigeche emeronge tato asa mabati alia aye chigeche emeronge bire na isaro na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na buigo na versatile matte MRM niko mabwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na buigo web design mabwate ligani kabwate chikala buna bonelia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na buigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi buigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyari kabo gokwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchane warrant na buigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo muchuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom buigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television.
Maragabo mia na ndo mwanchi muri wa Getembe TV niko cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona maragabo citariki ninye mutenyero yo kabiro mwaka no yugwekiri bubere 25 ditkonera Jumane Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo bonge ncenga tere Nyaboga Wilson makori kora sensemeri manyerere karansiko obona into ikomwaro Toko chakani gobono amate yemo kuri kinyoro kiri kyabo geche ewodi ya ichuni bunge nyari bari masabe county ya Kisii yesokire na kuba ose yesokire na korira sare nene yemagega yomorero gosamba enyomba yetugo yabo goikakwera morero yo nigo chagete Chinsa isano cyobutko bogokera rero korende asege ekyo gya chagete morero yo getaramanyekana goikira boniga
ikirani yane n'umwana umucyo kuri tumenyete na rugukura nga tuwaire Nitwaji gasoka koigora tukanyora umuriro magega ubugatira ikinyumba goika ibintu byose no byarenge chimburi chiombe chingoko byonsi rende katochi kwentokanya ngombe ndange mori yakure tujikumyoka kuchimate tukanyora chimburi chiarengo chiatamire nechiombe chiabwatura kine chingoko chiaire chiakorire
ekarato iwege kuro egekure ekegatusie twana ne giaki ntwamanyete na ninto yayiye ona ekarato gochigosoka tokomera na abachokoro bagotena baba twakorire kitwaye twerire
gasoka ochagesie lindigereri nkige gotagororo bago nalindo chomorero osogete igoro murabuse obarirete ona linda ngerete umoginanga aye mo basta yabeire bobe egento kiabeiro enyumba yayire sine chikoni kakikura mugina basogete agakura akarieta funguo akaminya ko gukikeita kaigora akachaka gukura para abantu in fact chirani cheto chikaiwa abantu bagacha bagatukabwaterana na baro
seka tukubwati umuri
na chingaki na ebiro aborokiwa bagendete kwirana gocha chisukuru magega yogokora eruse nyinge gose half time ye tamwe ntangani umwako yega nigo bono oyore omwegererwa abana nabo igore neganga yogochikoriga ekerokirikyo bwemse wodi ya Kigogi musubati kwinta mongina esokere na kubori aborokiwawo gokora mukia ase chisukuru bunenchira ya moyo konyora chisemi chira chikobakonya na kwegenderia ase amatukare bosyo.
Nabakwanire seretari ya Yesu asamareta nkuru kukwinta mongina seito nonkuboki hochinya keo ujumbe yane nabwatesa abana b'eskuru bari bakorere midterm bakorane skuru abana bagende skuru basome bakoromukia bachibekonye mba bachichokora iskoga bekonye bakonya abayibori babo n'ikenyero byonse gekonyeke tutware abanyagitari tutwara abarimu tutwara abantu bamaite kwagacha chinyomba plumbers bari bamaite okora electricity abana basome sobwengi na ino abarimu ko batebe moba abango boseri abana chiskuru esengencho ya school fees na bomo ko bachinga kichimororo moe na abaibori babo time babaregere school fees nonyene chibasari kurese CMCA ne chigavana ni CMP na ritora akonye kenyoro yeto esengenche seminingia eseminere ne rekorage ryabana riri bakorere mukie skuru na inde babere buya nari bagwekonya na inde bakonya abayibori babo na abayibori na ina inge kubatebi mwega semokoro muki morigeri abana chi school fees mbanya kona useri ukoruchi skuru chabo na bomo wakana nonyen kenke bomo sangi mwakorire tegatokore tobwatera
na magega yechisege gwateka ensemo ya Kiango mubaga bwe county ya Kisii amone county ya Narok nigo bono mukamishana bwe county ya Narok omuske kipkeche sokina gotababuna ekirerete chisege cyogo chaka na magega yengombe yemo koibakoro ase ense ya Masai ase bono batebire nigo batumire abobusaba banyanyimbo ba GSU bunenchire yemo yokoreta omorembe asayo na kobori abantu borogongoro ko babatorero ekerobotuki bogendrete kokorekana.
We got information that some makers of cane were on fire, and while they were there, police were there doing their patrol. They came again across a group of young men who were trying to cross, alleging that they were crossing, they were coming to Transoloreko area because they were looking for their lost animal. And from that time, we've been having, meetings. Our teams from in Transmara, Western County, and Kenyanya in Kisii have been having meetings, engaging in meetings with the Ikomi committees, of course, and village elders to just maybe ensure that peace is maintained in that part of the county along the border of Kisii and Narok. So the whole thing was actually because of those one animal which was stolen. Yeah, and so far I think there was some, we cannot determine as at now, the acreage of the cane which were put on fire. At some farmers are complaining that their cane were put on fire, and they have recorded with police, statement with police, and it is also under investigation. So as at now, the standby team, they are there, they are still alert in case of any outbreak. And as I've said that we also engage our people on the ground, people and girls, to continue sensitizing members of public to be very careful this time, because any small fire can cause havoc. And we are also cautioning members of public to make sure that they should be very careful.
Mwancho morigereria togotigana nayo nigo moyiga boko moenia omoske malulu ijendi mojumbe bwe bunge ya Marlava county ya Kakamega okorekana ritkoria rero asabarai okoro ense ya Kenya bakorawa no morai wense omoske William Ruto waikirana ase omoyigo yogo kwana nigo morai wense atebre nigara chikwene kyabuna bokurumiti bwe yogo chikokorekana ase secretary yabacheno anene mono ase omorobiri osha.
Hakuna senti ya serikali itatumiwa kulipa system yeyote. we have, because we want to sort out the problem of fraud of the past, pesa nyingi ambayo ilikuwa inakusanywa na NHIF iliibiwa na matapeli na wakora ambao walikuwa wanajifanya wako na mahospitali. Fake claims, fraudulent claims consumed almost 40% of the money that was being raised by NHIF. Na hiyo haiwezi kufanyika mimi nikiwa rais tena. It will not happen. Na ndio sababu nimefanya consortium kubwa. Tukasema we are going to have a consortium of technology companies that is going to make sure that there are no fraudulent claims in SHA. And they are going to make sure that that system will not be paid for by the government of Kenya. It will be a fee for service.
Mwancho murigereria tutigarite aso moyogoyo wa matanga ni gabono igati abarai bari baikira naso moyogoyo wa mubore murai wense kogenda gusira secteri yo bore minetugo anene muno aso kwena na oboyo bwa magorense gochase abaremi chinga kechechio ni gaboyo baburi abakenya kweri ke no murobirosha unenchera yamo yo kwero robero bogima chinga kitibako ina nyagitari konyora obobwenia.
Nitakuja kuelezea watu wetu ni wapi tunaenda na njia ni gani tunaweza kufanya ili tusisikie haya makelele tunasikia. Mimi najua pale haya makelele inatoka na mimi ndio naelewa kwa ajili nimekaa kwa hizo kamiti kuanzia NHIF mpaka sasa. Mimi ndio najua kiini. Mimi ndio najua siri ya kelele.
Program ile ya serikali ya kupatiana mbolea ya bei rahisi ni program ambaye imesaidia mkulima wa kawaida sana. Na ningependa kuhimiza Mheshimiwa Rais zidi kuweka uzito katika program hiyo, ndiposa hata uhakikishe kwamba last mile ya hiyo program, yani kuhakikisha kwamba mwananchi haendi safari mbali sana kuchukua mbolea ile, iletewe karibu baka na mlango yake, ili uchumi wa mwananchi wa chini hapa iweze kupata nafuu.
SHA ya matibabu. Nataka kuwaomba wananchi ambao hamjajiandikisha kisajili, mujiandikishe ili muweze kubenefit.
Don't listen to the disinformation and misinformation being perpetuated, especially by our media. Focus on your own health, because tusipotoshwe na hadithi ambao zitaenezwa. Tuwe na bima yetu ya afya ambayo itakusimamia wewe binafsi na familia yako.
Wewe uko na maoni ya kuunganisha Wakenya wote. Na sisi kama viongozi ambao tunaongozwa na kinara wetu Raila Amolo Odinga ambaye anafanya consultation. Vile
Togendrete ni gabone serikali ya bekiro sirachikobeko mokia asogo kine secteri yo bore minetugo unenchera yamo yo koroseria abasai amabaga yemere mugokwana asegi karo na babwatani korose secteri yo boremi oboncherera ebyombe na boige biwanda ni gabono mukonyi bombora ibwensi ya Kenya moske Professor Pram Kithure Kindiki atebire ni gabarachikobeko mokia na kwene kebunango igora bare na gochakia ebiwanda Alsech County imeyensi ya Kenya.
Country must be innovative to mitigate against the bulge of young people mainly who do not have jobs or income opportunities. So this agenda of job creation is a huge pillar which carries on board many programs in many MDAs. The majority of the people of Kenya derive their daily bread. These value chains are in agriculture, livestock production, the blue economies, fisheries and blue economy, as well as other primary sectors like mining. So therefore, under this second pillar of value chains, revitalization of value chains, agriculture carries like almost half in terms of where do the citizens of Kenya, when they wake up, where does their daily household income come from? Somebody is either in agriculture, is a keeper of livestock, is within the fisheries and blue economy sector, or is doing certain primary sector activity like mining.
Na umwanche murigerera togochigokora nigobono aboro kiwa bibrasirubya JSS gose junior secondary school baboriwe gokora umukia anene mona aboro kiwa banyaruka kokobeka umukia asemeremeri science bunenchire yamo yogochikone kyabunango babare aba engineer gokwana nigobono umunjini musubati Damarisio yaro atebire inerenga kyabana banyaruka gosaba subati batakire koba aba engineer buna abana baria abamura.
I am engineers who use science, created with some formula is generally what interacted with the students, and we've seen that there is an interest in the engineering and technology pathway, which needs to be exploited further by continuous mentoring these students so that in the future they will be able to uptake it. Still on the ratios, we still see on the gender side, there were quite a number of male interested vis-a-vis the female students. So we need to do quite a lot of mentorship with the girls so that they're able to understand what engineering and technology is all about. As much as there is a perception that engineering is a male-dominated career, we are here, we are the ladies. So we've come here as ladies to tell them we can do it, and it's possible to be problem solvers in the society.
This is a good time to let them know about what is going on in the country, what are the priorities, and what can be done to shape our future. Especially when we look at some of the ravages of the climate change, then we see the very, very critical need of the engineers in the country. And within our mentorship program, as the Institution of Engineers of Kenya, we will keep track of the progress of the students by
Mwancho murigerera ayina arona kwariganirete ase Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi ritukeriria rero korende anda mange natiko gochera asobo ikirano Chinsa ibona na Chinsa nyiche botko bwarero no yominto Haron ototo nyangrinje ngatirine Nyaboga Wilson Makori kora sensemeri bimanyeriro twakoganerie borigire borobya ase mirobiri ya Getembe TV na boy gase kagitari getambo murobiri wekerango gochera rasembyo toko gosabanga toskare bye bye tumuraneri tukore ange.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingagi ogoswasa ligakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate etime tempo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwata chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwata normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbego babwata boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerunge tato asama mabati aliaye chigage emerunge bere na isaro na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile matte MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwa mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao. Tutarire rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom. Onyari ko bagokwerera amabati yu akomenya sigika. Ayo guchani warrant na wigo. Ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango. Edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores. Yegotoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuri gobusongo. Iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom. Wigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers. Iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.